Wonderful listeners, we are welcoming you to this program this evening. Wherever you are in the world, we are welcoming you once again to Radio Biafra, because this is where you get the truth. Without the truth, Radio Biafra is nothing. What we bring you is the factual truth. We do not lie. We don't embellish anything at all. Anything you hear from us is absolutely correct, apart from the sort of final segments of our last program where we made it very clear that the 99.9% that I offered was entirely my own personal assessment. Barrister wanted to know if I've had personal experience why I came up with this figure. I said no, I didn't do any field research. It's something I observed personally, from personal observation and being able to apply the laws of deduction. But I'll be able to go into that if I'm allowed to. But I've been told to concentrate purely on the issues of Biafra. So what I wanted to say to Iqbal is, which of course, we're in the same camp on this very issue. Although on the issue of prostitutes, we differ with the numbers. But on this,
don't even go there.
On this issue, we agree that a monument is very, very important. So a boy